Can someone please explain to me how it is already August? Happy August. Summer's officially coming to an end. Getting ready for our first school year. Hudson starts VPK and I can't even believe it. We're gonna do one last little family vacation before school starts and summer's over. We did this last year. This is actually Hudson's idea and it might actually become like a yearly thing. Last year we rented a bunch of condos, the family, we all stayed like right next door to each other for about a week. Just hung out and did the whole beach thing. And Hudson brought it up a few months ago and was like, remember when we did that? We should definitely do that again. And we all agreed that that was the right choice. We're doing our big family beach trip. Gonna be there for about a week and I'm really excited. It's just gonna be so fun. I love hanging out with my brother and his family and my mom and just all the cousins playing together. So it's really fun. Today, while I have time, for the first time ever, I'm not going to be packing last minute. No. I am prepping and planning and I'm on top of things and I'm going to start some of that packing today. I bought a bunch of stuff to make little beach baskets because here's the thing about Florida. It is going to rain in the afternoon. It's raining right now, especially during the months of August and September. You're going to get some rain. So to keep the kids from getting a little too stir crazy and to just try to reduce screen time if I can, I'm gonna make a little beach basket. I have a bunch of beach themed books that we already have, so I'm gonna throw that in the basket. I bought some, this isn't really for when it's raining, but I did buy some shell collecting bags. I love collecting shells. I've been doing it since I was little. I used to walk on the beach and collect them with my mom. Hudson has been doing it with me, which is really exciting. And so I'm trying to get Rowan involved as well, so we all have our shell collecting bags. I got the cutest little pack of playing cards. Hudson is also at the age where he totally gets how to play games now, which is so fun because I love me a good board game. I've been playing a lot of Go Fish, Candyland, like the very, basics kid games. It's really fun. So I'll probably pack some of those. And I got this kids card playing set. So we have Old Maid, Crazy Eights, Go Fish, of course, regular playing cards, Memory Match, and Slapjack. I'm kind of excited because I don't really remember, I don't remember how you play Crazy Eights or Old Maid. I remember playing them as a kid, but we'll have some fun playing some card games. And then Rowan is my little artsy girl, so I got their watercolors. It's really cool because the watercolor comes with it, and they are of course beach themed because we love a theme around here. Everything is included. You have all the little pictures. So I got one that maybe if Hudson feels like doing it as well, but I know Rowan will. She's my little crafty girl. I also bought the rainbow fish. I haven't read this since I was little, but I feel like it had a really good story to it. So adding another book to the collection. Then also not for a rainy day, but I did get us a kite because I feel like that'd be really fun to fly. Oh, and I got a new beach bag because my beach bag was falling apart. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this little basket together. Just kind of fun having new little things for the kids to play with. Hopefully keep down the boredom during the inevitable rainstorm that we will have. For the first time in my life, I am packing ahead of time and not just throwing stuff in a random bag last minute. This is growth. I used to always make fun of my mom for packing days before a trip, but now I kind of get it. It's almost like the vacation is happening. It's among us. The dress that I'm gonna wear here, the shirt, the bathing suit, the shoes, the vacation is happening. And I finally found a luggage that has made packing a little easier and a little more enjoyable. I recently upgraded my luggage. This is the level 8 carry-on, and look, it is not in a boring black color, but a beautiful dual tone blue, because I hate when your luggage is coming out of the carousel and all you see is just boring black bag after another. This stunner will pop. Because the handles sit outside instead of running through the middle, the entire interior is completely flat. So it fits so much more than it looks like it should. The 20-inch carry-on has a 43-liter capacity, which is 3 liters more than the standard 20-inch bags. So if you like to go for like 3 to 5 day short trips, you wouldn't need to check a bag at all. You can fit so much in here. It even has a waterproof pocket, which I love because inevitably someone's swimsuit is still gonna be wet when we leave this trip. The thing I noticed immediately is just how smooth it rolls. I cannot tell you how many times I have what feels like just drug the suitcase behind me at an airport. Not this baby. I'm usually carrying a coffee, a diaper bag, or holding someone's hand, so I appreciate anything that makes travel feel a little easier. And I know this is not everything, but I just really appreciate that they're beautiful. The design is just really timeless. They're also made from German engineered polycarbonate, so they're incredibly lightweight, but durable enough to survive airport bagging handling or your toddler throwing it down the stairs. Lovely even backs them with a lifetime warranty, which I always appreciate when I'm investing in something that I plan on using for years. I genuinely think that luggage is just one of those things that is worth buying once and buying well. So if you're planning on doing any travel this year, I'll have everything linked below. All right, we are headed to Costco because you can't do any type of vacation prep without going to Costco. We'll be at the condo for almost a week and my kids eat a lot of food. I just kind of wanted to go to Costco to look for anything non-perishable. Really at this point we'll buy like more, they have Publix, so we'll buy, you know, fruit and produce and all that stuff probably right when we get there. But I just wanted to kind of like already prep and have some good snackies. They're snackers. We're all snackers in this family. So some good healthy snacks, maybe a couple treats, and just kind of have that checked off. Also, Costco always has the best like floats or, you know, summer stuff. So hopefully they still have summer stuff out, even though it's August and that's probably gonna be all Halloween stuff. But we'll hope for the best. Yes, my sweet adorable husband brought me home some Starbucks. A venti iced passion tea lemonade has been my go-to recently. Delicious, refreshing. Thank you, Sam. Yeah, I did change. It's raining outside and I'm not gonna waste a cute outfit on a rainy day. Plus, it's like negative 30 degrees in Costco, so I'd be freezing my butt off in that dress. All right, let's go. Someone just complimented my eyebrows and that literally made my day. Okay, I've never had these before, but I love dates and we love sour candy. Maybe it'll be really good. Skinny dipped anything is literally the best. I have to try these because I either just wasted my money or I found the snack that I'm taking to the movies tonight. Ooh. Ooh, they smell like watermelon candies. No added sugar, organic dates flavored. Smells like watermelon Sour Patch Kids, which I love. Oh my gosh. Those are sour. Oh my goodness. That is way better than I ever thought. Yes. Yes, those are so good. These are so good. I love sour. I love sour candy so much. Okay. That's a yes for me. Let me show you the haul. All right, so this is everything and I'm planning on saving, no touchy, until the beach trip. Big bag of tortilla chips, added some salsa as well, because you gotta have chips and salsa at the beach. I ended up putting the animal crackers back and got these Sweet Thins by Simple Mills. It's just better ingredients, a little less sugar. Some dried fruit snacks. Love these kids protein drinks. It's such an easy way for them to get a little extra protein. My little minis are basically vegetarians. Like I cannot get them to eat meat. They'll eat eggs. Meat's another story. So anywhere I can sneak in some extra protein is a win. Obviously, I'm bringing my new favorite food. I love these fruit jerky. They haven't had these flavors, so I'm hoping for the best. Some protein bars, These Aussie bites are so good, and they have like rolled oats, dried apricots, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, honey, coconut, quinoa, and chia seeds. Big old bag of chips. These are little sweet treats. Anything skinny dipped is so good. And I love coconut and chocolate. And then these are basically Snickers, like less sugar Snickers. And then kettle corn, we love popcorn around here. Some fruit snacks. We're gonna try out these protein bars. I've heard good things about the David protein bars. I also grabbed these mini Ollies. I'm mostly excited for the apple crisp flavor. I don't really like this flavor, but I'll make Sam drink that one. And then I broke my rule. I said I wasn't gonna get any like perishable items, or I don't know, I was trying to stick to a list, but I found some other things that we'll eat throughout this week. Some mush overnight oats. It's a great little snack, little breakfast with some protein. I got these from a lot of my Factor meals. So I have these Chipotle chicken power bowls, just kind of an easy lunch. Nice amount of protein. Oh, salsa for the trip. All right, I've never had this chicken salad before. I don't know if it's gonna be any good. I feel like chicken salad with a little pita, a little bit of fruit, maybe some carrot sticks or celery. A yum little lunch. This is a staple in our household. Sam's staple. And then I grabbed this quinoa salad. I've been like craving Mediterranean food. I meant to get tzatziki sauce, but hopefully that'll be delicious. And then yes, only the best granola ever, okay? It's this one right here. Oh, that's my little food haul. Seriously, these are so good. I might have to have another one. I'm gonna put all this away. Gonna hide the goods. I don't want them getting into the good stuff before the trip. And I try to keep things like fairly healthy, not too crazy, because I know we're gonna be doing ice cream. Probably after every dinner, we'll go get ice cream. Oh, I meant to get cookie dough. We'll make cookies. I like doing fresh cookie dough, like fresh baked cookies. Yeah, so we'll have plenty of treats and snacks. We tend to make our breakfast, make our lunch at the condo, and then we go out to dinner and do a little dessert. So it's a good little start. Good start.
The downs cheese on my
Hello. Hello. You want to see this?
yeah. That's what we make.
What's that?
Outfit.
Outfit? What's that?
The seashell.
Sandcastle.
Seashell. Seashells.
Seashells.
We like seashells.
I've been working on like a beach scavenger hunt for the kids. It's very basic. It's like the sun, a dolphin, a crab, things you would definitely see on the beach, and then some things just to kind of keep a lookout for. I just feel like it'd be fun to kind of check things off. The 5 or 6 days that were there, just kind of like a fun little activity and things to look out for. I need to go find my laminator. I'm gonna laminate them. Otherwise they'll get completely destroyed. But I don't know, it's kind of a fun little activity to make.
Oh,